Hello, hello again mga kagakusay Tachi. Lesson 8 na tayo. If you've been following my YouTube video, so mapapansin nyo, no, meron na tayong technique on how we can ace the test. Okay, so yun yung ating kailangang malaman, no? Bukod sa pagre-review, kailangan ano ba ang mga technique para mas madali mong masagutan at maitama ang mga questions, alright, ang mga sheet summon sa JFP. Okay, because of that, we will have another batch and today lesson 8. So for number 1, check natin yung ating Monday. So a discourse between A and B. Okay, so A, sumimasen, nagaisang wa doko desu ka? Nagaisang kaigi shitsu ni iru nani-nani. Okay, so ending particles tayo. Is it ne, yo, or ka? Palagay nyo, alin sa tatlo? If you happen to choose yo, you're correct. Though ang tatlong ito ay ending particles lahat, ibig sabihin they appear at the last part of every sentence. Ang yo, ang kaibahan niya is if you are disclosing a new information to your listener. In this case, si A, tinatanong niya kung nasaan si Nagaysang. And then sumagot si B, nasa Kaigishitsu. Putting yo at the end makes it a new information to A. So, kapag hindi alam ng kausap mo ang info na i-divulge mo, laging yo particle ang ginagamit natin. So, that's why, Nagaysang, Kaigishitsu na iru yo. That's the main reason why yo is being used at the last part of the sentence. Okay? So, that's for our question Q. Now, question 10. A and B again. Tsuji-san wa imasu ka? Tsuji-san wa nani-nani? Soko desu. Soko desu. Okay. Soko desu. Soko is storage room. Ayan, storage room. So, is it, basahin nyo. And which one is the proper answer? Correct. Tabun. Tabun is probably. So, where, nandiyan ba si Tsuji-san? Tsuji-san wa imasu ka? Is Tsuji-san here? Tsuji-san wa tabun soko desu. Siguro nasa storage room. Okay, so that's tabun or probably. Sige, A and B again. Hasami wa doko desu ka? Hasami is scissors. Soko desu, over there. Hako no nani-nani desu, hulaan natin kung ano ang kanji na ito. Chikaku, naka, or yoko. Very easy. Yeah, it's naka. So this is the kanji of inside. Naka. Hako no naka, inside the box. Sige. A and B. Nori arimasu ka? B. Tsukue no ue ni arimasu yo. Ano ang kanji ng ue? Correct. If you choose nibang, so nibang is the answer for ue. This is very easy. Sige. Gomibaku wa tsukue no shita ni arimasu. Shita kanji. Which one? Hai. So desu ne. So this is the kanji of shita. Hi! And we're done. Hi. So I hope may natutunan kayo sa ating lesson 8 today. And hopefully, ma-share nyo ito sa inyong mga kaibigan, pag-subscribe sila para matutunan sila at matulungan natin sila sa kanilang JFT exam. Salamat sa inyo! Bye-bye!